Let's look at this. It says the fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 13 and the second term is 3. Find the common difference and the fifth term. Okay, as you can see, we need to use simultaneous equation because there is no way we can get the common difference and the fifth term without going through simultaneous equation. The first one said the fourth term. Because it's an AP, we use this formula. N minus 1. And this is 4. In place of N, I put 4. Then I put D, which is A plus 3D. And we are told that what? We are told that it's 13. So this is 13, okay? We're going to call it equation 1, okay? The second term is 3. The second term, that is, the second term is A plus 2 minus 1, D. That is A plus D, because this is 1D, which is also D. And we are told that what is 3. Sorry, this is second term, not third term, okay? That is the second term is 3, okay? Is 3. The value is 3, but it is the second term. As you can see, second term, but the value is 3, okay? Now, we can call this one equation 2. So from here now, we can rewrite this as A plus 3D as equal to 13. A plus D as equal to 13. We are going to say this minus this will strike out. This will give us 2D as equals to 10. Divide both sides by 2. You agree with me? D is equals to 5. Okay? Now that I have 5 for that, I want to substitute it to equation 1. That is to say A plus 3D as equals to 13. A plus 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 13. Okay? A plus 15 equals to 13. And move this to this side. A equals to 13 minus 15 equals to minus 2. Okay? As you can see, we have A now as minus 2 and D as 5 from the question given to us. Okay? But that is not the end. The end says, find the common difference, which we have done, but we also need to get the fifth term. That is the fifth term. A now is minus 2 plus the fifth term, that is 5 minus 1, D is 5. So therefore, minus 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5, minus 2 plus 20, which is 18. So the fifth term is 18. Hope this is understood. Thank you for viewing.